Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to deposit cryptocurrency in RedotPay. Firstly, launch the RedotPay app on your device. Go to Home, then Deposit. Select the currency you want to deposit, then choose the network for selected currency. Just note that each network only supports specific currencies. Make sure to choose the correct one. Now either copy the deposit address or scan the QR code. The minimum deposit for USDT is 1. Then the deposits less than 1 USDT will not be credited. Open the Binance app, for example, and go to Spot Account, then Withdraw. Select the currency you want to withdraw, then choose Send via Crypto Network. Pass the RedotPay deposit address and select the same network you chose in RedotPay. Tap Withdraw, then follow the prompts and ensure the network matches to avoid deposit issues. RedotPay requires 5 network confirmations for USDT deposits, around 1 minute per confirmation. After that, check the deposit status in the app. Just go to Wallet and USDT. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.